on our Swiss franc JPY for the day. As you can see on our Swiss franc, we've actually had a clean bullish move, a clean huge movement upward on our Swiss franc to our JPY. You can see our price movement, by the way. And guess what? When we actually have a long bullish move, there's one thing we have to have next, which is a retracement. Is exactly what our price would be going for today. We're actually going to be aiming for a retracement. As we can see, we've actually gone bullish, and now our price has actually opened bearish. And one of the reasons why we're actually going bearish is that our JPY is actually going to JPY index is actually going to be going bullish. By the way, we are aiming to go bullish on our JPY index. So any pair relating to our JPY should actually be falling. As you can see, our price has actually hit this our support area here. Now our price has hit and we are actually going bullish. So any pair relating to our JPY should actually be falling. Now we are actually going bullish, should actually be having a retracement at least to this area here before we can consider going bullish again. At least when our price comes to hit this area here, our price should have hit our 10-period moving average, as this red line is a 10-period moving average on our daily time frame. When our price possibly hits 10-period moving average, then it is a good opportunity to take a buy. Or when our price comes down and touch this our previous or higher highs, then it is a good opportunity to take a buy. As you can see, 1k level here, and we saw a retracement. See, this was our previous higher highs, then we actually saw a breakout, by the way, which goes up. It broke above our previous higher highs. So definitely, if you are having a pullback, we should be aiming here as a pullback. That should be giving us, I think, 100 pips, close to 200 pips, as this pair is very volatile. So it is very possible we'll be able to hit it, by the way. So that is it on our Swiss franc JPY. It dropped, and if you want, you can say probably possibly here again as another key area here where our price will actually be reacting, falling for a retracement. That should be giving us about 100 plus pips on our Swiss franc JPY. So that is it for the day. We'll be closing bearish for the day. Then possibly tomorrow we might see a bullish move or a bearish move. But for the day, let's go bearish on our 4-hour time frame and our 1-hour time frame. You can see our price below our 10-period moving average. That is a signal to actually take our sell position on our 1-hour time frame. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it helpful.